Now I like to use music in my game and ambience if I can, and I discovered a new app called Table Tone. So looking at this, it says select a universe. I don't have the bottom two unlocked, but fantasy I can load up. And we met with this screen, so let's imagine now starting off running Lost Mines of Phandelver, and you meet in a tavern, so I'm going to click Tavern. Now you'll notice underneath it says relaxed. And we're in a tavern, so imagine that the local ruffians come in and things shift into, well, a fight. The fight breaks out, I press action and it transitions into a fight version. We've also got intensity sliders underneath if you need to up the intensity. And I like how it just cut it, rises into it. I'll lower the intensity right down. And that's on none. So yeah, you can literally force it into the relevance you need. So let's reduce the intensity, go back to relaxed. Love how that transitions, really good. I'm going to straight up click suspense. So again, I can up and down the slider. Now, we've got a mood thing I've never tried. It's on neutral at the moment. Let's go to a dark mood. I love the talking bits as well. Let's see if we can notice a difference in light, bright mode. So yeah, there's some nuance there, but you've got dials to rein it in. That's good. So what else have we got? Fair World. Relaxed Fair. And then I suppose you'd have that on bright and not lock the intensity. So yeah, it gives that wondrous fair world, fair wild sound you might be looking for. There's dungeons, transitions again as it switches. And then a fight in the dungeon. So, there you go. That is not all though, there's more to it because we have sounds. And I believe we can keep that background music playing and just layer these on top. But I'm trying to isolate like an ooze. A ooze, whatever. Bow and arrow. Warhammer. Ignite a torch. And good old fireball. So we've got a triangular control here. And hit the triangle. So is up and down volume? Oh, it's more music. Ah, right. That takes out like the chattering and stuff we had in the tavern. Yeah, if you just want the background. So we've got local. Local to global. Okay. That's one way of describing it. So yeah, perfect adjustments. I would possibly have a player in charge of this as when you're DMing. I don't know, it's a lot to run yourself, isn't it? But as you saw, there was a horror preset, and there'll be other ones coming. Sci-fi, wasn't it? So yeah, I was just really impressed and wanted to share. So check it out. It's certainly on Apple. I imagine it's on Android as well. So go check it out. It's really cool. And see you next session.